there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. How to make money with printables and sell them on Etsy. If you've been looking for a creative way to earn some extra income or start your own online business, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's clarify what printables are. Printables are digital files that people can purchase and print at home. They can range from art prints, planners, calendars, stickers, coloring pages, and much more. The beauty of printables is that they require no physical inventory, packaging, or shipping costs, making them a perfect option for anyone who wants to start a low-cost, flexible online business.
Now, let us talk about Etsy. Etsy is a popular online marketplace known for its handmade, vintage, and unique items. It's an excellent platform to showcase and sell your printables to a global audience. With millions of buyers visiting Etsy every day, there's a great opportunity to turn your creative talents into profit. So, how can you get started? Let us break it down into a few simple steps. Step 1. Choose your niche. Finding a niche will help you stand out in a crowded market. Consider your interests, skills, and what you're passionate about. Are you great at designing wall art or creating meal planners? Focus on a specific category and become an expert in that area. Create printables. For creating printables, I'm going to use Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform that allows us to create a wide range of visual content, including social media graphics, presentation, posters, flyers, logos, and much more. So let us get started. First of all, I'm going to make printable wall arts to sell on Etsy. As we can see here, we can get a good amount by selling wall art. So let us start. First of all, search wall art in search box. And then here Canva show us many templates which we can in our design, or we can get some idea from this design. But the problem is some are free and some are only for the pro users like this one. If you don't have pro account, choose free design from it. Or if you want to create from blank, go to the Create Design. Then click on Custom Size. Then select Unit Width and Height. Now I'm going to show you how to create this type of wall art which I already made in before in Canva. So first of all, let us add page. Then choose color from the color palette. Now let us add this circle. For this, go to Elements and add circle from the shapes. Then change the color and adjust it like this. Then for this of tree, again go to the Elements and search leafless tree in search box. Here Canva show us so many similar options. Choose any of this. Let's find the exact one. And here it is. Now let us delete this. And then adjust it like this. Now the last thing we need to add is this curve. For this, search curve design and select which looks best. I'm going to select this. Now let's change the color. It's ready. Now let us make the another one. Follow the same steps. Select background color, shape and design. For this time I'm going to add flowers. And our two wall art are ready to download. To download this, click on Share, and then select the download option. Then select the type of file. To upload this wall art on, we have to download this in PDF print format. But now I'm going to download this in PNG format because we also have to upload our product image as thumbnail. Download both image one by one. Now let us make the another printable. And this time I'm going to make printable foods pun cards, which we can sell at good price on Etsy. So let us start. So now I'm going to show how to create this type of PHN cards in Canva. First off, I'll go to the Create Design and select the format for cards. I'm going to use A4 size document. First of all, let's make this pairs cards. For this, select background color and then add the square shape from the element. And adjust it. Then go to the element and search pair of pairs. And select graphic option. Let us add this. Now to add text, go to the text. Then choose your text. I'm going to select this. And then enter your text. And adjust it. Then add another page. Now I'm going to make this peach card. First of all, change the background color. Then let us copy this box and add here. And then search for the peach smiley. Let us add this. Then I'm going to add this girl, which I already used before. You can find this by searching its name. Then add text. By this one by one you can create this pun cards very easily in Canva. So our pun cards is ready. Then download this from this share button. Now for listing our product on Etsy. We have to make this type of mock-up for our product. For this, search wall art mock-up design in search box. Here we have so many options. So let us choose this. Cause it's have 2 frames. And we also have 2 designs. This it's look better than this, so let us select this. Click on customize this template. Then upload your design. Then delete this images from the frame. And add your design in it. Then download this. Now let us make thumbnail for pun cards. There is no template available here for pun cards. So we are going to make this. So let us add page. Then select background. Let us add this. Now I'm going to add envelope design to make this attractive. Let's add this. And then remove background. Then add 5 images here for 5 design. And then add your cards here. Like this. You can also create individual cards design. For this, go to the element and search card mockups. And select any of this. You can also change background color if you want to change. And then add your design. Like this. And download this. Now the next step is set up your Etsy shop. So for this, open my Etsy shop. Then log in with your email or Google account. Then to sell anything, click on this shop button icon. Now we have to follow the steps one by one. First of all, select shop language. Then select country and shop currency. And then hit continue. Now here we have to enter shop name. And then hit continue. I already listed 2 products on my account. So let us add one there. So first of all we have to add our product image or product thumbnail. Etsy allow us to add up to 10 images. So let us add this. Here I add wall art mock-up image as a primary image. We can add image in every angle, details, in use, etc. We can also add our product video if we have. Then write a perfect title for your product. Then answer this basic questions. Like, who made this? So I made this. What it is. A finished product. Then choose year. Then write category of your product. So I'm going to add digital print wall art. Then select primary color and secondary color. This all things are optional. But make sure you can briefly add your product detail so it can help in ranking of your product. Then add width and height. Then select vertical, horizontal, framed or unframed. Style, etc. Then select manual. And this the main thing you have to select. Whether it is physical product or digital. And then write a description of your product. Write every details of your product. Like what type of product is this? In which format it is available, etc. Then if you have production partner, add here. Then add tags. Here you can add 13 tags. Must sure you can add tags cause it helps to find your product among so many products. So add maximum tags. Then next step is enter price for your product. Then upload your design here. And then hit continue. And as we can see, our product is added over here. And click continue. And then follow this paid and billing process. So this is how you can make money with Canva or Etsy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found any valuable information in this video, so don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.